Peter, Blackie, Green Legs. What's going on with my three little baby chicks today, huh? What they doing? Coming to say hello to the mother? Hi. They're sweet babies. Green Legs. Your legs aren't so green anymore. Listen to those little rooster sounds. I love it. What he's saying? What he's saying, huh? I love those little rooster sounds. That is so sweet. Where are they going now? Where are they going, huh? They're such big explorers now, going all over the farm. Just finished cleaning up the stalls. New hay in their bedding area. And Cash and June are out there eating grass somewhere. There they are. I have to remember each day, from everything I've read, lambs and sheep need anywhere between 4.5 and 9 miles of walking per day. If the shepherd, who is me, does not walk them, then what they do is just eat and sleep and lay down. So it is an important job for me. Just like when you have a dog, you have to walk your dog every day. I have to walk my lambs every day, just not with a leash. So whenever they come out here into the pasture, I always get them going. I am gonna grab my cane, so I never go out into the pasture without my cane or a crop or something. Here we go. Love this new cane. I love it. It's good also to get this first morning walk in when it's still nice and cool out here. The farther I walk, they just kind of come along whenever they see me.